right, hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is from Beauty Forever Hair. Thank you so much, Beauty Forever, for sending me this hair to review. So this is their 13 by 6 body wave wig. It is in 26 inches and 150% density, and this is the hairline. I did actually do a little bit of plucking on this wig, but not much. And I did also bleach the knots on this wig as well. And here I'm just applying a little bit of foundation to the lace. So the lace is supposed to be HD lace, but this leans more on the side of transparent to me, but it's all good. It worked anyways. So this is how the wig is fitting, and I can tell you right now, I don't want to say it didn't fit, but it was like just a smidge off, like just a smidge. So with that, I couldn't properly get the lace on my skin, to melt on my skin, and it ended up sliding back on kind of like my hairline, which you will see later in this video, but you'll actually see a quick fix that you can do if you're out and about and the ear tab kind of it comes up on you. So I will show you guys that later on in the video. And so I went on ahead and just blow dried this wig for another 5 minutes or so on cool. So I'm just gonna do a side part and get these baby hairs going, which really, you guys, did not take me long at all. I was very surprised at how fast I ended up laying my edges with this wig. And I think that had a lot to do with the product that I use, which is the Design Essentials foaming wrap hair lotion, whatever you want to call it. I do want to say I totally understand right now that we're probably not too worried about makeup, hair, all that kind of stuff, but I just want to point out, for me, what's gotten me through hard times and what I've expressed on my channel. And a lot of you guys know I love making women, or trying to make you guys feel good any way I can. Hair, makeup, all things beauty, that kind of stuff has always given me some joy, and I just at this time I just want to keep sharing it with you guys. So this day I just had to get up, get cute, take some pictures. Yes, I stayed at home, but I just had to stay in the routine of things. So I just want to let everyone know I'm praying for them. I hope everybody is well and their family as well, and he'll see us all through this. So that's my little spiel right now. But anyways, back to this wig. So I'm laying these hairs with the Design Essentials that I just showed you guys. You can find everything that I'm using for my, when I lay my wigs and all that kind of stuff. When I do any kind of hair care video, I try and put all products in my Amazon store, and I try my best to keep up with that. So take a peek there. It's going to be linked down below in the description box, along with other household things that I use, stuff that I love from Amazon, and all that jazz. I will put all the information about this wig down below in the description box so that you guys will have it. I think it's a great wig, especially because it's a 13 by 6 as well, so it has that really deep parting space in the middle. I think it's going to be great for a good everyday basic wig, whether you want to wear it straight, curly, or whatever. I think you have a lot of options with this particular wig. All right, y'all, so just gonna blow down this little strip right here and the rest of my hair so that it sets in place, and this is how we are looking afterwards. Everything's all nice and laid and looking all good. So next, I'm just gonna quickly, of course, just brush this hair out, and then I'm going to use my my electric hot comb, and then I'm just going to just touch up the part really quick. Y'all, that Design Essentials foam, I'm so glad I found it. It has made just doing my hair so much faster, and it really molds and lays the hair flat. So I really don't have to spend forever with this hot comb getting my root straight and flat and going wherever I need it to go. And then there I'm just taking my razor and just kind of creating a layer right in the front. This is a flat iron, curling iron, whatever you want to call it. I mean, it's 2-in-1. It's double plated from Baby Bliss. This will also be linked in my Amazon store. I love this flat iron. It is a little bit on the pricier side. I think it's like $200. Oh, y'all, I could be so wrong. But it is a really great flat iron. I actually have 2 Baby Bliss products. If you guys have any flat irons or just products you guys think I should try, especially when it comes to curling irons, curling wands, all that kind of stuff, please let me know, because I do want to, I want to get like a new curling iron, and I want to get a bigger curling wand as well. So let me know in the comments if you have one that you really like. So just gonna go ahead and add just a few curls right in the front, you guys, and just finish up this look. Now I do want to say the hair is nice. Beauty Forever to me has really nice hair, really great quality hair as well. The density on this is 150% density on this particular wig, so that's what you're looking at right now. I would go ahead and get the 180% density. It wasn't thin, but I think I'm just starting to lean more towards 180 to 200% density, just depending. So if you don't like a lot of like hair, then maybe stick with the 150, but if you're kind of in between, I would just go ahead and go right on up to the 180%, just to be on the safe side. So just remember, you can always take hair out and thin it out if need be with just some thinning shears, but you can't really, I mean, you can add hair in, but it just takes a little bit more effort, and don't nobody feel like doing all that. So this is how we're looking, you guys. Just gonna finish up real quick with some hairspray, and then just gonna define my part a little bit more, and that's pretty much it for this look, y'all. So it's coming up in just a second, but the wig did come off, like the ear tab. It just got really warm in my house and it just lifted. And so just make sure you keep a bobby pin in your bag, ladies, and you're just gonna simply just put some of the hair down, like going forward. I wish I showed you guys better. That is my fault. I will try and show you again, but you're just pretty much gonna bobby pin it down and make sure the hair is going forward when you bobby pin it, so that if the wind blows back, you're not being all exposed and all that kind of stuff. The hair is just kind of covering it up. Let me know if you guys have any questions or comments. Thank you guys so much for watching, for your support. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, of course. Thank you so much for watching. I will talk to you in my next one. Bye.